welcome back. I'm your host, Lude Ricard from Sunnyside PT and Wellness. Today we're going to talk about foam rolling the quad. So if you are a runner, if you like to lift heavy and you have some bulks in your quads and you feel some adhesions or tightness in the quads, the foam roller can be a very effective tool to address those adhesions and limitation you might have. So to start, we're using a 6-inch foam roller. We're going to place the foam roller distally at the end of our legs, and we're going to recline. We're going to lay down on our tummy using our forearm as a prop. Okay, so I have one leg on the foam roller. I'm keeping my core engaged. And be careful as you do this. If you have back pain, then I do recommend that you choose the different methods because my hip is a little bit in misalignment as I'm laying here on the foam roller. So from here, I'm going to roll myself kind of like a military crawl here, distally until I come to the top of the kneecap or patella. You never want to foam roll over bones, okay? That's a no-no. So we stop right distally to the joint, and then I gently bend my leg, and I hold there for about 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, slowly lower, and I roll back until I feel a tightness, bump, adhesions. I breathe in, bend my knee, breathe out, and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and exhale. And I'll repeat the process all the way up to the top of my thigh. Typically, I can have, with my clients, I have a timer, and I'll have them foam roll for about 20 to 30 seconds on each side and instruct them on how to do that at home safely. Again, if you do suffer from back pain, you may want to reach out to a qualified licensed physical therapist who would be able to implement a safe, effective, and individualized home exercise program for you at home. Once again, thank you for joining me. My name is Lude, and I'm from Sunnyside Physical Therapy and Wellness. Till next time.